Randy with Seasoned Shredders. Today I'm out in Gunnison, Colorado. I'm in Hartsman Rocks. Last night was 41 degrees, and I'm going to do a video on how I keep my car well insulated, even if it's extremely cold or extremely hot. Use this insulation that I got from Home Depot. It's this rolled up insulation. I think it's like this insulation is real easy to work with. I just cut it to the size of my window. Just stick it in that little spot there. It's just really easily foldable. You just put them away in your car from little side windows. I keep my windows cracked at night, and I put a fan in here that pulls the air through. I use these little pads right here to keep the insulation up. Works really well. You'd be surprised, the windows could be 100 degrees outside in the morning sun. When you're done using your window insulation, you just stack them all together, and they just fold up. You can just slide them out of the way. It is that easy. It's really surprising how much temperature control you get with these little pieces of insulation that you can cut to fit each window by yourself. When I open the windows up in the morning time, there's usually condensation on the glass. It depends on where I'm staying. If it's out in the desert, it's dry. If it's on the East Coast, it's moist and wet. But that temperature stays constant in the car. I love these things, and if you travel in your car, you should get a roll, cut them to fit your windows, and that's just the way to go. It makes a world of difference, and it's also very private. If you find this video helpful in any ways, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to help my channel. I appreciate you watching this. You guys have a great day.